welcome back to my channel, YouTube friends. So I'm so excited because we are at house number 2. So I'm taking you on our second tour of my series where I am showing you all townhomes that I looked at in Charlotte, North Carolina. So if you haven't seen the first video, stop, go back, watch the first video, and then come back to this video. But we're at house number 2. I'm going to show you all the things inside, and hopefully you enjoy the tour, and I will talk to you soon. So here's some shots of the townhomes. All right, so this is the home. Y'all, I'm just kind of amazed at all of the decorations. Here's just like a little aerial shot. We have an entryway leading to a kitchen, leading to the living room, and a fireplace. Okay, so let's start here. We have a really nice living room space. Let's see, this 1, 2, 3, 4. Technically, this would seat like 4, maybe like 5 over there. How they have it decorated. But really cute. Like, I love the mantle, the fireplace, the TV, that cuteness. Okay, an entryway that leads into the kitchen. This is literally a huge and spacious kitchen. Like, this island is massive. And like, what I really like is there's space underneath, on top of cabinetry space all over. We have a gas stove. We have a farmhouse sink. Honestly, that's huge as well. We have a little pantry over here and like a little coffee nook. Cute. These floors, really cute. Okay, so we come to this side, we have like a little breakfast nook over here. Then the bathroom is over here. And here is a little bookshelf area, built-in shelves. Y'all, look at the details. They're on it, the details. So here this goes to the garage. The garage is a 2-car garage. So that's very, honestly nice. Like, very, very spacious, very spacious. Quickly, let me take you through this half bath. Love this color, love the decorations. And here's the rest of the half bath. Okay, so this is the first floor. I love, it really is like open and bright. Like, love that. Sunlight, natural sunlight is my thing. I love that. All right, let's head upstairs. Y'all, stuff on the walls. Cuteness. Okay, so we come up and immediately we're at like a little entertainment space. Like a, I guess like a little loft area. Have a TV and just cute. One thing that's so unique is this like patio space. Literally, we're on the second floor, and here, like the roof area, a little outside patio. Lots of seating, lots of room. Oh, and this is storage. So nothing short of storage here, to be honest. Okay. Let's go to the master. Beautiful master, right? Y'all, this is gorgeous. Literally gorgeous. literally look at that light fixture. So this is a king bed. These are really huge side tables and a chair, and it doesn't feel crowded. All right, bathroom. We have a full tub. Like, this is a full garden tub. Beautiful. And like a lot of new construction I've seen actually do not have this in here. I did find out that this is additional. Like, this is not just like standard, it is additional to get that. But sometimes it's just worth it. And then over here you have a stand-up shower, still very spacious. You have 2 sinks, lots of under cabinet space. You have me again. Here we have closet. That's a nice space. And then area for the bathroom. I mean, the toilet. All right, let's see what else this house has to offer. Okay, so we're going down the hall. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so we have a nice linen closet. Nice. We have the laundry room, cabinets, laundry stuff. Oh y'all, this is so cute. Literally, look at this. How they have it decorated, like a space for an animal. Cute. All right. This is the second bedroom. Beautiful, beautiful. Loving it. Okay. I don't know whether that's a full or a queen bed. But still, we have a side table, lots of space. Like, beautiful job, beautiful job. Here's me again. And here is another closet. Okay. Oh, okay, y'all. And this, they have decorated as an office. So it can be anything, 3rd bedroom, a workout room, whatever. There's so many options. But how this little office space is really pretty. It's a good day to have a good day. Amen. Nice little bookshelf here. I really like love the paintings of the wall, like the color selections they chose. And here is some other shots of community. Love that they have some, this is a rear facing garage, but they have some front facing garages. That's cute. And let me show you the last bathroom. So this is the last bathroom. Me again, how many times do I say that? Honestly beautiful. I love it. Wow, that was a lot of home. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing a different kind of floor plan, different layout with a different community. Basically, we're just getting started here. Like, we are just getting started. We have 2 down, 2 more to go. So I'm excited. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying it. And I got a question for you. Answer in the comments below. So before I asked in the first video, what was your favorite thing and your least favorite thing about the home? For this, I want you to tell me what is the most unique thing that you saw about this house. I'll go first. So that like outside patio, that was very unique for me. I have not really seen a lot of townhome communities in general that offer like an outside kind of like patio space. So I think about me right now being an apartment. I'm on the 3rd floor. So yeah, that's typical. But like in a home, like not on the 1st floor, I think that's very unique for that to be there. So I think that was cool. So is there anything else in the video that you saw that you thought was very unique that you haven't seen before? Let me know below. So this completes our 2nd video If you haven't watched the first, make sure you go back, watch that first video, and join the fam. Like, we are just getting started, and this is the start of a long process because we have tours, we have decorating, we have shopping videos, we have like vlogs. Like, there's so much that's coming. So you definitely do not want to not be a part of this community. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, add that, like, you see that bell notification, click it so that way you're on the team. And you know what? I will see you in my next video. All right, bye fam.